and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I hope you're ready for another unboxing. So this is part one of two of some goodies from gbfke. So this is the gbfke website. They were kind enough to let me pick some goodies, and they've also sent me some other goodies that they think you'll be interested in, so it would be nice to see that selection. So this is the first unboxing, as you may be able to tell, and yeah, let's show you what sort of goodies that they sell. Of course, I will put links to everything in the description below. Of course, by clicking on any one of those links, you can get to the website to look at the other stuff as well. But one of the things they did think that you guys would like and chose to send is this mammoth painting. I do try not to order too many big paintings when companies do offer to send me products to showcase, but that's just because I do feel guilty for ordering, you know, too many things that are expensive. I don't want to sort of take the mick out of companies, but they chose to actually send me two paintings that are huge, and this one is actually a little bit different as well by the looks of it. So, I'm not sure if you're seeing what I'm seeing. You might not, because it's a bit of a distance away. But if I pull this up, can you see? That is a rather big square for a diamond. The one that we're looking at is 4 diamonds by 4 diamonds. So I think this one has a little bit of something special with it. And that's kind of interesting. Okay, so we do get a standard toolkit, pen, boat, baggies and wax. Just to let you know that is in there. But yeah, all the way down here in with these flowers, there is it 2 or 3 different symbols? 2 different symbols. They do have different colour backgrounds, so this, again, I'm not sure if I'm even showing you so you can see. So we have this triangle one here, so this one is backed by yellow, but this one is backed by orange, and there's some over here that are backed by white or backed by green. That is so, oh, again I'm dropping stuff. That is so that the background, of course, you will still be able to see, but you would put the diamond in the middle. So that is interesting, and look at this. They do come with DMC numbers, so there is 2 special drills. But look at this, there is 42 colours in this painting. Wow. So there is 40 of the normal DMC colours and 2 special. Oh, this is going to be exciting. So, to show it you the right way up, we've got a cottage and a little bridge with a stream and some lights. And then we've got the windy path going down to the flowers. Gorgeous. Good choice. Good choice to send me. I'm rather excited about the fact it has, ooh, and the special diamonds look nice. Sorry, I'm being a bit secretive now, aren't I? But I am going to show them you. I'm just going to go through the diamonds first. So it is round, but we've got a lot of gorgeous colours here. Pinks, peaches, reds. See, that looks like a 310. Oh, in fact, these have got DMC numbers, haven't they? Yep, that's a 310. I keep forgetting what diamond paintings I unbox that have DMC numbers and what don't. But these do. We've got a deep green. Gorgeous pinks. Are they 3 different shades? Oh, they are. They're 3 different shades, which is always nice because you tend to find the shading is good if you get colours that are very similar but actually different. So I'm just going to get these to go away. and we'll go through the next lot, because otherwise I spend my life wrestling with packets of diamonds, and I've ripped the baggie anyway. Okay, we have got loads of colours in this. Loads. Okay, found an end. So we've got some blues. Look at that yellow. Well, this is going to pop. And we've got some browns and some turquoise, some blues, more blues, nice oranges, peaches, gazillions of colours, and a nice few shades of green there. But of course, that shading value, I do like it when there's good shading. I will pop a link down below. I haven't got the prices of these to hand, but I'll be sure to get a link. And then the last four, we've got some bright green, purple, blue, and like the off-white. Gorgeous. And then to show you the special ones, look at these, they're actually flowers. So we've got number 41 is this big dot. So this big dot, you actually put a rose on it. And then the smaller one, you put a little yellow flower that'll either be backed by some white or backed by some green or backed by some yellow, depending on the flowers itself. Oh, they're pretty. I like that. I don't think I've done a painting like that before, so that'll be fun. And of course they don't look anywhere near as neat as they did. But that one states it's 45 by 85. So I'm going to measure the actual drill area is, make sure it's flat, just over 79 for the drill area by just under 40. Oh no, in fact it's pretty much dead on 40. So rather than 45 by 85, it's 40 by just under 79 in length. That'll be a nice big project to do. I think I might have to store this one rolled up though. I don't think I'm going to be able to cope with the size otherwise. Okay. Number 3, oh, focus camera. Oh look, I can get in this one. Number 3 is, which one is this one? Oh, I think my daughter picked this one. Yes, she did. I might have to do it though, it's funky. So we have what is now called a funky skull. This one is full drill, and it does come with the DMC numbers, 16 colours. All the symbols on this one look clear, which is good because this is confetti. Look at that. She's going to love doing this. She loves confetti. Though I might do it if I need a painting. But yeah, drill area is fantastic. Actual diamond painting area is 24 by 24. Now IKEA do a frame that's 23 by 23. That might work well for this. Just saying, you know, even though they are smaller, sometimes it works out better. And then we've got the standard toolkit. No baggies in this one, but you've got what you need. Sometimes I wonder whether it's worth having 2 baggies or worth just having none at all. I've got a visions of, we've got some 310, yes we do. We do have 310s in this, so we have burgundy, yellow, there's 310s, a couple of yellows, hitching a ride. We've got some purple, peach and orange and yellows and more oranges, blues, gorgeous teal colours, oh lovely pinks, and some blue that's got a lot of pink hitchhiking. Love the bright colours. I'm very much into the bright colours at the moment. Or at least I definitely was when I was picking some of these. I was like, give me all the colours. Okay, so that is the 3 diamond paintings to show you in this one. And then I spotted this on their website. Now, anybody who has watched me for a while knows I like storage. I do. I like storage and I like organisation. And you may well think this is exactly the same as the 15 bottle case that I recently kitted a Heaven and Earth design up in, which, if I grab it, it is the same case. So same size. This one is red and this one is lime green. This one, for anybody that's wondering, is my Heaven and Earth Designs other one, and it comes with these round bottles. Okay, but this is not the same case in a different colour. This is Tic Tac boxes. So I know some people really like the Tic Tac boxes, and I am just going to have to turn these all round so that they face the right way. But the slots for in here are for Tic Tac boxes instead. So once I've put them all round the right way, because otherwise that's just not pleasing to my eye. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this will actually hold 20 colours. And it takes the same space as the turn bottles that hold 15. So if you want a small case that holds just a few more colours, then maybe Tic Tac boxes are for you, and I'm definitely going to give these a go. And then we do actually get a toolkit. So we actually get what I call a posher toolkit for some of these more basic kits that you can get. Is you get the silver tweezers, you get a bigger plate of wax, a pen, boat and some baggies. I'm actually going to pop that in with my toolkits. You get round stickers, which half would work, or you could fold them over the edge and then just write on the top. But yeah, these are Tic Tac boxes instead, so you can just tip the diamonds out, and you can take the whole top out for putting diamonds in. But of course, when you're tipping them out, you can control them a bit more. But I thought that was a bit different. And while I like my storage, I wanted to try out different. So I will be kitting up and giving Tic Tac boxes a real go soon enough. But yeah, I'll pop the link to this below if you're a Tic Tac, not TikTok, that's a completely different ball game. Tic Tac storage boxes. Then this might be something that I've not seen before. They may be available somewhere else and I've just missed them. But this did surprise me when I saw it. I was quite excited. So yes, thank you so much to gbfke for this first instalment. So we have, just thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.